Hello, hello. I'm live and I'm at Starbucks, which is not a regular Starbucks. I am at Malad because I had to meet somebody and I came here very, very early. And I mean, early क्या 8 बजे खुलता है तो मैं 8 बजे आ गया हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के ये पॉडकास्ट आ रहा हूँ. Yesterday I tried to connect to my phone and laptop and all of that, and it didn't happen, so I couldn't connect into anything. But today I'm glad that my AirPods are connected, my this one is connected, phone is connected, and I can talk. Okay, so what are things that are top of my head? I do not know. I mean, I've been. Last night I slept to Claude saying that the new model has been released. The Mythos ka light version has been released. I didn't get time to play. I slept, but in the morning I played with it, and it was very, very good, good fun. So let's see what I do with it. The first thing that I'm going to do with that is to build a pipeline of sorts that helps me learn more about the world. So instead of me going to various news sources, I will train it to give me news sources that I want to read and talk about and learn from. So that's one thing that I'm going to do with it. The other thing I'm probably going to do is that the website that I'm making, 66 MB Road, I'll probably make more versions of that. Let's see how that pans out. I do not know how that will workout. So that's the thing that I woke up with. The other thing that I thought was that I am probably at that inflection point in terms of using of Claude, wherein I have used it for basic tasks, email and search and simple agents. But I need to now use it for longer and more deeper conversations. Like for example, while I've been using multiple agents to do tasks, I want to automate those. Like yesterday, I saw somebody has automated anything to curate things from RS feeds and then write content and publish it. It's an interesting use case. So all my content could actually get generated by that. So I can do that. Then I also want to do automated reach out for the businesses that I help. So if you are an agency, I'd love to do a guinea pig experiment with you to help you acquire more clients and more people. So let's see how that pans out. I'll work on that. Apart from that, I've been thinking that can I train it as a coach for me to sort of take care of all my macros? Like, for example, can I make a folder on my I don't know, on Google Drive or something where I upload pictures, it logs all the pictures and logs all the macros and coaches me and can I connect it to the open source group to actually get things done. So maybe that. So there are multiple things and multiple use cases that I'm thinking about, and I'm probably at that point where I use it for basic things, and this is the time for me to upgrade and upskill. And obviously, I've spent insane amount of money already on Claude. मतलब हमारा महीने का credit card का bill is about 7,000 rupees. In fact, yesterday I downloaded all my credit card statements and put that on Claude and said कि बता कि कितना खर्चा यहाँ पे हो रहा है, and the number will shock you, and I'm going to ask you to guess the number. Please guess the number in comments, and whoever gets closest to that shall get a reward. Okay, fine. Nobody's bothered about that. So that's that. What else? I think the only thing that is now left in terms of work is to be able to fix the distribution, and that means that I will have to do a lot more work on distribution. Probably go live more times, talk more to people, and do things that I have not typically done and things that I have stayed away from. Like I have not put my face on the internet. I mean, there are like live videos that you can see, but I've not put pictures and I don't really put my picture on the internet. So maybe I'll do that. And if there is somebody who can take a great picture and send me, I would love to do that. Let's see how that pans out. Then I will probably want to take larger, more polarizing positions in the sense that I'm not saying that I want to do negative conversations, but for example, I don't believe in work-life balance. Now, I have not spoken a lot about that to the world, but maybe there is some merit in talking about that so that there is some conversation about that happens per se. This is an example, and there are many counter-intuitive conversations that I believe in. Like I'm 43 and married, and I don't believe marriage is an institution that holds any weight today. So maybe that, right? So I'll do that. The other thing that I'm thinking, I'm at the 4 minute mark, and I want to finish this in 5 because I have a lot to do today. So the other thing I've been thinking since last night is what binds me to Bombay. I came here in 2006 or seven. I came here, and then I have always either been here or I have. If I moved back to Delhi for gravity, I always want to travel. And I actually talked Suvi into helping into starting a Bombay office, which wasn't that great to be honest. So Bombay has been a lust for me for last I think 20 years, and the city has given me whatever, right? I mean whatever जो भी मेरे पास आज है पैसे तो नहीं है बट लोग है कनेक्शंस हैं जो भी मेरे पास है सब मैंने दिया है my lifestyle is built for Bombay. But what is it that holding back here? If I want to be a truly global citizen and global liver, then I can be wherever, right? And I know that I need to be around Delhi. So one thing that I'm thinking a lot about, should I leave Bombay to go where? I do not know. Luckily, I'm hoping Chandni and Anshika, the other two people who are in Bombay, probably will be mobile to go along with me. I am not sure if they will or they will not. I have yet to ask them. But the point is, what is it that binds with Bombay? Can I not be in a Bangalore, a Dubai, a Bangkok? Probably it's a money. And once I find a solution to money, I will probably want to not be here. So let's see how that pans out. I do not know, but that's one this year's goal. So I'm going to restart that. And I think this is a newfound, what do you call it? Newfound power that I believe, newfound confidence, and I think Claude can help me do that. So let's see if that works out. And maybe it does, maybe it does not, but let's try it. That's interesting. So yeah, I think this is it for the day. Not too many coherent thoughts, but whatever it is here. Thank you. Have a good day.